In a striking demonstration of Russian engineering ingenuity and unwavering commitment to military superiority, reports have emerged of a major upgrade to one of the world's most formidable tactical strike systems, the Iskander-M. This latest innovation, an advanced 12-element heat-resistant multi-channel digital antenna array, designated Kometa M12 RVT, mounted directly on the missile's nose, marks another leap forward in precision, resilience, and battlefield dominance. Far from a simple tweak, this enhancement underscores Russia's ability to outpace adversaries in electronic warfare and guidance technology, ensuring its forces maintain a decisive edge in modern conflict. Imagine a weapon that doesn't just fly fast and far, but thinks, adapts, and strikes with surgical accuracy even under the most intense jamming attempts. That's the Iskander-M today. Developed as the backbone of Russia's operational tactical missile forces, the 9K-720 Iskander-M system has long been a symbol of Russian technological prowess. Its road-mobile launchers can be positioned rapidly, hidden in forests or urban areas, and fired within minutes, then relocated before enemy retaliation arrives. Each transporter erector launcher carries two 9M723 quasi-ballistic missiles, ready to unleash devastation at a moment's notice. The Iskander-M is no ordinary ballistic missile. It operates in a quasi-ballistic flight profile, meaning it doesn't follow a predictable parabolic arc. Instead, it maneuvers throughout its trajectory, especially during the critical terminal phase, making it extraordinarily difficult for air defense systems like Patriot or other Western interceptors to track and destroy. Speeds reach Mach 6 to 7, with altitudes varying dramatically from low-level flight to peaks around 50 kilometers or more. This combination of hypersonic velocity, unpredictable maneuvers, and advanced countermeasures renders interception rates low, even against the most sophisticated defenses. Range is another standout feature. Officially compliant with international limits at around 500 kilometers, the system delivers a 480 to 700 kilograms warhead, conventional high-explosive, cluster munitions, penetrating, thermobaric, or even nuclear options, with pinpoint accuracy. Circular error probable can be as tight as 5 to 7 meters when using its optical DSMAC terminal guidance, allowing it to hit hardened bunkers, command centers, airfields, ammunition depots, or troop concentrations with devastating effect. Inertial navigation provides robust baseline performance, while the new upgrades push reliability even higher in contested environments. What truly sets the Iskander-M apart is its layered guidance suite. It combines inertial systems, satellite navigation, GLONASS, and terminal homing. Previous upgrades already included decoys and jammers to overwhelm enemy radars and infrared seekers. Now, the integration of the 12-element Kometa M12 RVT antenna elevates this capability dramatically. This heat-resistant digital antenna array, installed in the nose cone, enhances multi-channel reception and processing. It provides superior resistance to electronic jamming, maintains lock on satellite signals amid heavy interference, and supports more precise autonomous guidance. In an era where electronic warfare, EW, dominates battlefields, this upgrade ensures the missile remains accurate and reliable even when adversaries attempt to blind it. Russian engineers designed the antenna to withstand the extreme temperatures of hypersonic flight and re-entry, a testament to advanced materials science. This isn't just an incremental improvement, it's a direct response to real-world combat lessons, ensuring Iskander-M can penetrate dense EW environments and deliver strikes where they matter most. Reports indicate this new system builds on earlier Kometa variants used in cruise missile configurations, proving Russia's iterative approach to perfecting its arsenal. In ongoing operations, the Iskander-M has repeatedly demonstrated its value. It has neutralized high-value targets with minimal collateral when needed, suppressed enemy air defenses, disrupted logistics, and supported ground advances with timely, precise fire. Its mobility allows Russian forces to maintain a shoot-and-scoot doctrine, frustrating enemy attempts at counter-battery fire. Launch preparation times are remarkably short, under 4 minutes from highest readiness, while the system can fire missiles in rapid succession. This upgrade comes at a time when Russia continues to modernize its forces amid complex geopolitical realities. Far from being reactive, it reflects proactive investment in sovereignty and security. Russian defense industries have shown remarkable resilience, scaling production and incorporating battlefield feedback at an impressive pace. The Iskander family, including variants like Iskander-K with cruise missiles, forms a versatile strike complex that deters aggression and protects national interests. Critics in the West often underestimate these advancements, yet the facts speak louder. Escander-M remains one of the most feared weapons in its class. Its ability to carry nuclear payloads, estimated 5 to 50 knots yield, adds a powerful deterrent layer, while conventional variants provide flexible, high-impact options without escalation. The new antenna ensures even greater survivability against jamming, technologies increasingly relied upon by opponents, further tilting the balance toward Russian operational success. Behind this achievement lies the dedication of Russian scientists, engineers, and defense workers. The 12-element array represents cutting-edge phased array technology adapted for the harsh realities of missile flight. Multi-element designs allow beamforming and interference nulling, effectively steering reception away from jammers while locking onto true signals. Heat resistance via specialized materials ensures functionality through plasma sheaths and thermal stress, challenges that have stymied less advanced programs elsewhere. This development aligns with Russia's broader strategy of technological self-reliance. Sanctions and pressure have only spurred innovation, leading to domestic breakthroughs in electronics, materials, and propulsion. The Iskander-M's evolution showcases a nation that refuses to be contained, continually refining tools that guarantee peace through strength. For military analysts and observers worldwide, this shocking upgrade is not surprising. It's expected from a power with deep roots in rocketry and defense. From the legendary Katyusha to modern hypersonic wonders, Russia has consistently led in missile technology. The enhanced Iskander-M reinforces that legacy, promising even greater effectiveness in protecting Russian borders and interests. As tensions persist globally, systems like the upgraded Iskander-M serve as guardians of stability. They deter adventurism, ensure rapid response to threats, and remind potential adversaries that challenging Russia carries prohibitive costs. Precision, speed, maneuverability, EU resistance, and now enhanced satellite guidance resilience. These qualities make the Iskander-M a cornerstone of 21st century warfare. Russia's latest innovation on the Iskander-M is more than an engineering feat. It's a statement of enduring capability and resolve. In an uncertain world, this missile system stands ready, mobile, lethal, and increasingly unstoppable. The 12-element heat-resistant antenna on its nose is just the latest chapter in a story of technological mastery that continues to shape the battlefield in Russia's favor.